Are you dreaming of starting your own business? A small factory business could be the perfect solution. We're talking about businesses that are easy to start, with readily available machines and fast production. Let's explore some ideas. First, we have soap making. You can produce and sell high-quality soaps. Machines needed are a soap-making machine, cutter, and stamper. Production is fast, especially with unique, artisanal soaps. The market is vast, and profit margins can be attractive, particularly if you target niches like organic soaps. Next, consider candle making. The demand for candles is always there, for ambiance or decoration. The machinery is straightforward: a wax melter, pouring molds, and a labeling machine. You can create various types of candles. Production is swift, and you can quickly scale up based on demand. Then, there is the option of producing custom t-shirts. With the right equipment, you can print designs. The machines include a heat press, a printer, and a vinyl cutter. The demand is driven by personalization and fashion trends. You can fulfill orders quickly, and customization possibilities are endless, allowing you to cater to a diverse customer base. Another option is manufacturing custom stickers. Stickers are used for promotion and decoration. The machines needed are a printer and a cutting machine. Production is fast, and the materials are relatively inexpensive, leading to high profit margins. The market includes businesses, individuals, and organizations. Consider handmade jewelry. This can include necklaces, bracelets, earrings, etc. The machinery required is basic pliers, cutters, and a polisher. You can create custom pieces, which drives high customer satisfaction. The production speed can vary, but generally, it's manageable. The market caters to people of all ages. Furthermore, you could think about producing custom mugs. People love personalized items, and mugs are a great option. You'll need a mug press and a printer. Production is rapid, and the customization options make the product appealing. The market ranges from individuals to businesses. Finally, think about producing custom phone cases. The demand for phone cases is huge. The machines required are a printer and a heat press. Production is fast, and profit margins can be substantial. You can create unique designs, photos, or text, appealing to a wide range of customers. These small factory business ideas share some advantages. First, they involve relatively simple machinery, making the initial investment lower. Second, production is typically fast. Third, they offer a high degree of customization, which can lead to higher prices and better profit margins. Are you ready to start your journey into small-scale manufacturing? With the right idea and hard work, you could be on your way to a successful business.